How's it going, guys? My name is the Hood Man Brandon, and today we are doing something different. We are playing Will You Press the Button? This game is interesting. Like, you get the perfect girl. She looks, feels, and is amazing in every way, but this only applies to you, but everyone else, she looks, feels, and smells horrible. I will push that button because I don't care what other people think, and they're all just self-centered. See, the majority of people agree. 55% of people agreed. 44 did not. Good dilemma. I'm pretty simple with my answers, I dare say. Okay, you have fantastic singing abilities, but you belong to the Phantom of the Opera. I don't really know what the Phantom of the Opera is, so I will not push the button. And people agree. 66 people did not push. Wait, what? You get to be president of the USA forever, but you won't be... Oh, oops. You get to be president of the USA forever, but you won't be able to have sex for the next 5 years. I am okay with that. If I rule the world, I'll do whatever I want. I'll have more ways to have fun. You... Dang it, I keep doing that. You have the power to summon any woman you desire at will, but you always have your mother's eyes. I guess I'd push it. I'm not entirely sure. I mean, I can't really tell in eyes anyway. Unlimited gasoline, you can only drive that one car for the rest of your life. Okay, here's what I would do. I'd get the ultimate car and then use the gasoline for that. I'm doing really good on some of these, I think. Good dilemma. Dobby lives, Voldemort does as well. Wait, what? Harry Potter spoiler, I wasn't gonna answer. You get one superpower of your choice, but you become deathly allergic to your favorite food. Nope. Oh, I did not do well. 30% did not. Ugh. Hmm. Oh well. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm posting this video on Christmas because it is, well, Merry Christmas, I guess, for now. You can become invincible from natural death. You have to spend the rest of your life in a... God damn it. I guess I would not hit the button. I'm not sure what happened. I keep tapping things too much, that's my problem. Alright, you have the most famous gaming channel on YouTube. Praying for it one day. You have to only play horror games that are specifically designed to scare you, or just you and nobody else. I am okay with that. If I have the most popular, then I'd get paid, and I can survive it. I'm already playing a horror game I don't want to do, so yeah, I push the button. And plus, it says I only can play them on for YouTube. I can play anything else on my own. What the? Oh, I need to zoom in. You will have 50% chance of getting anything you want for the rest of your life, never physically age, and know for certain that you will be reincarnated to whatever form you choose should you die, or. But you will have a 50% chance of being tortured brutally nonstop for 24 hours and permanent hell for all eternity. Nope. Not worth it. I'm not doing that. Nope. I don't want to. And the majority agrees. That is terrible. That is horrifying. You can be Superman for 1 hour a day. You will spend the rest of your life in your time in a. No. I will not push the button because I don't want to be in a wheelchair. And the majority agrees. I don't care what, I'm just hitting the dilemma any way I want to. I'm just taking it bad. I apologize. Humanity will never cease to exist. You die after pressing the button. I will sacrifice myself for all of humanity. 64% of people did. Oh, screw you. I've been the hero, right? How much time have you've done this for? 6 minutes. Okay, let's keep going, I guess. Oh, shoot. Oh, I didn't. You can have any item in the world, but have to get hit in the crotch, chest. It's the same item at 10 speeds. Nope. I probably would not hit that button because I don't like pain. Alright. Can learn anything in a minute, how to play a sport, how to cook, etc., like in the Matrix. But lasts for 1 month and then disappears forever from your mind. Can't be learned another time. Nope. And the majority agrees. I mean, if I wanted to learn something, I'd just teach it myself. You will live with a person of your choice for the rest of your life. You also have to live just... Nope. Just no.